Jesus did not say, "You might become the light." He said, "You are the light of the world." Light does not argue with darkness. It does not fight it. It simply shines, and darkness gives way. Even a small lamp changes an entire room. Light reveals the way. Light brings warmth. Light helps others see clearly. Then Jesus says something just as simple. You are the salt of the earth. Salt is small, quiet, almost unnoticed. Yet without it, everything loses its taste. Salt preserves, salt protects, salt keeps what is good from decaying. This is how faith works. Christians are not called to shout louder than the world, but to live differently within it. When your life reflects truth, when your love is sincere, when your mercy is visible, you become light. When your faith shapes your choices, your words, your relationships, you become salt. Shine where God has placed you. Do not hide your faith. Do not lose your taste. Let your life quietly point to Christ, and the world will discover God through you.